Today, Apple updated the British version of their Siri speech synthesizer for the iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch, as well as the Apple Watch and HomePod. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and take a look at what's new with that voice. In order to access the new voice, you will have to go into settings, so let's do that right now. Once we are inside of settings, we're going to go to Siri and search. Once that we're in Siri and search, we're going to go to Siri voice. And for this video, we're just going to switch it to British. And we're going to turn the volume up here.
Female. Speech off.
Okay, so the first one we're going to try is the female voice.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
As you guys can see, it sounds less robotic than last time. It sounds a lot human, if that's the word you want to use. It still sounds a little robotic to me, but it sounds a lot clearer at pronouncing words. Let's try the male version.
I'm Siri, your virtual speech on.
Okay, so now I have the male version of Siri selected. Let's go ahead and ask both voices some questions to see how they pronunciate, and we'll make our final opinion at the end of today's video. So let's go ahead and ask some questions. What's the weather today?
It's currently clear and 32 degrees in East Orange. Expect mostly clear skies starting in the evening. Temperatures are heading down from 32 degrees this afternoon to 24 tonight.
How are you feeling?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking.
What's the best phone?
You're kidding, right?
What's the best tablet?
There's the iPad, and then there's, well, nothing I guess. Selected. Male.
Okay guys, sorry about the little glare on my phone screen. It's because I have the flashlight on my camera since it's a little dark in the room that I am recording this video. Let's go ahead and switch to the female voice and ask it the questions that we asked the male version. What's the weather outside, Siri?
It's currently clear and 32 degrees in East Orange. Expect mostly clear skies starting in the evening. Temperatures are heading down from 32 degrees this afternoon to 24 tonight.
Okay, let's go ahead and ask it another question. How are you feeling?
I feel good.
What's the best smartphone?
You're kidding, right?
What's the best tablet?
The Apple iPad is the best. And that's not just my opinion.
I know. If you guys want my opinion on how the new Siri voice sounds, I have to say it sounds a lot more clearer. It pronunciates a little too much, it articulates a little too much, and that can be a little annoying for some people. No one needs Siri to be that precise in pronouncing the words. The English version of Siri, which is the American version, sounds a lot better. It doesn't enunciate too much, it doesn't articulate too much, it's just right, just like you and I were to talk. But they still need to work on the British version of Siri. It does sound a little less robotic. I want to hear your guys' comment down in the comment section below. If you guys enjoyed today's video, let me know with a like and or dislike. If you guys want to see more videos concerning all things Apple, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. I've been Tian Official. See you next time.